So this is an easy one. For your Chapter 1 reading guide, you'll go to the unit modules where all the assignments are going to be listed. You'll go down to Unit 1, look for the Chapter 1 reading guide, click on that, and you'll notice that, like most assignments, it is a Google Doc Cloud assignment. What that means is that you can access this assignment through Canvas or directly in your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, it will just be in a folder titled conroeisd.net, and then inside your AP Human Geography course folder. You can make revisions inside Drive directly or through Canvas. Don't hit submit until you are complete with the guide and ready to turn in. This is the book that you'll be using to complete your reading guide. The page numbers that you need to read are listed under each key issue heading. You go through, you read, and you fill out the reading guide. A couple of things about reading in an AP Human Geography. Number one, you have to divide it up over time. Like all things, you need to try to absorb that, and you need to give your brain breaks. So, for example, I would say, okay, on the first day, I'm probably going to read pages 14. I think that's supposed to be 23 in key issue 2. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do for that day. And then the next day, I'm going to read key issue 3, wherever that is. Okay. So that's page 20 to 25. Dividing tasks up over time in human geography is critical. The second thing with reading is that you can't just spot check for the answers to these questions. So again, that's just to broaden your understanding of the course material. Read thoroughly. And then another reason why you don't need to spot check for the answers is because eventually you'll be taking handwritten notes and you won't have a reading guide. That will be quite shocking to you if you have been spot checking and then all of a sudden you're going to have to read everything and take your own notes. Reading guides, divide up over time, and read everything. Even pay attention to like tables and charts and things like that that are inside the book, because sometimes that stuff is really important. And then lastly, you will be quizzed regularly on reading material. For Unit 1, everything is wrapped up into the test, so you don't have an independent quiz. But starting with Unit 2, you have individual quizzes for reading. If you didn't get issued a textbook, like it says up here in the directions, reach out to your teacher, and we will direct you where to go from there.